The Nightingale and the Golden Cage. The first rays of morning touched the garden. Dewdrops sparkled on flowers like tiny pearls. The air was filled with fragrance, and every branch sang with birds. But among them all, the sweetest voice was the nightingale. This nightingale was not an ordinary bird. Its song carried magic. When it sang, hearts bloomed with joy. When it was silent, the whole garden felt lonely. In the same city lived a king. He had gold, jewels, palaces, and servants. But he had no peace. One day he heard the nightingale's song. He was enchanted. This voice should not be wasted in the forest, he said. It must belong to me. He sent his soldiers. They caught the nightingale and placed it inside a golden cage. The cage was made of pure gold. It glittered with diamonds. Inside, fruits and water bowls were kept. Yet the nightingale did not sing. Every day the king came to the cage. He begged, "Sing, O beautiful bird, sing for me." But the nightingale was silent. It only looked outside the cage, at the free birds flying in the open sky. The king grew angry. "I gave you a golden cage, jewels, and food. Why are you not happy?" And the nightingale's heart whispered, "Gold without freedom is only a chain." In the palace lived Princess Zehra, the king's daughter. She was gentle and kind. She often sat at her window, dreaming of the world outside. One day she came to see the nightingale. She saw it sitting quietly, with no song in its throat. "Why does such a beautiful bird not sing?" she asked softly. The nightingale sighed. "Can a song be born inside a cage? My music is a breath of freedom. Without it, the voice dies." The princess's heart trembled. She thought, "Is this golden cage a paradise or a prison?" Days passed. The king still hoped the bird would sing. But the nightingale grew weaker and weaker. Its eyes lost their shine. Its wings drooped. One night, Princess Zehra dreamed. She saw the bird lying still, its song gone forever. She woke with tears in her eyes. Running to the cage, she found a dream almost true. The nightingale sat silent, lifeless in the golden bars. "If I do not free it," she cried, "it will die. And its silence will haunt me forever." It was a night of silver moonlight. The palace slept. The princess came quietly, holding the cage's key. She opened the lock with trembling hands. The nightingale looked at her in surprise. The princess whispered, "Go. Be free. A song lives only where the heart is free." The bird spread its tired wings. It flew out through the window into the sky. It took its first breath of freedom. And then it sang. The song was brighter than stars. It was joy and sorrow together. It filled the air with light. The princess listened with tears shining in her eyes. It was the most beautiful sound she had ever heard. The next morning the king heard the news. He was furious. "Who dared to free my bird?" he thundered. Princess Zehra stepped forward. "I did," she said with courage. "Because a voice cannot be caged. Gold may shine, but a cage is still a cage." The king was silent. Then a single tear rolled down his cheek. He understood at last. Wealth can buy many things, but not freedom, and not happiness. The nightingale was now in the forest again. It sang each morning. Its song traveled on the wind, reaching even the palace. And whenever Princess Zehra heard it, she smiled, knowing the truth. The secret of the song was never the golden cage. It was the open sky. Thus, The Nightingale and the Golden Cage is more than a tale. It is a mirror. It shows us that happiness is not in gold, but in freedom. Love cannot live in chains. And the voice of the heart lives only when it is free. If you enjoyed this emotional story, then like video and subscribe my channel.